I'm actually anticipating that the market gets to this place, and the moment it got to this place, non-farm payroll news came out, and just take a look at this huge candle right. Can you see that? Can you see this huge candle right? Look, can you see the difference? This huge candle right. That's NFP news. That's massive, guys. That's massive. Let me count how many pips we've got so far. So NFP already, that is over 100 pips today. Whoa, damn, that's huge. Before you place your next trade, what you need to do is to go to your Google Chrome and type investing.com. Investing.com. Okay, and let's go. The next thing you need to do is to go ahead and sign up. I have an account with them already. So you go ahead and sign up your investing.com here. Now, once you're done with the sign up, come to economic calendar, click on economic calendar, and you should have news events for the day. Today is September Wednesday 25th, 2024, and I'm only having two news events. That's new home sales by 3 o'clock, and I have crude oil inventories by 3:30. Okay, so I'm only having two news events because I've actually applied a filter on my investing.com, and that's the filter I'll be giving it to you guys right now. If I click my filter here and restore it back to the default setting, let me restore it back to default setting and apply it. Now, can you see this the same Wednesday, September 25th, 2024? Can you see a lot of news events? Too many news events for the day. Meanwhile, I only had two news events previously. So here's the setting I use currently. So you know the best news events to focus on. Now let's come back to filter. Click on filter. To do, just come to this place and click on clear. Now we don't have any other countries selected. Since we'll be focusing on our major currency pair and minor currency pair, we need to select those countries alone. The first countries we'll need to select will be Australia. Now let's do this line. Now we'll need to select Canada. Let's go down. We need to select Eurozone. Now let's go down. We need to select Japan. Move down. You need to select United States. Okay. Select United States. Now let's move to this other part here. So we need New Zealand, and we need United Kingdom. So that will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we're only focusing on these 7 countries. Now, once you're done with that, here's the setting from this part. For the time, click on display time only. For categories, click on select all. Now for importance, click on the 3 stars, that's the third one here, and apply. Now once you apply that, we should have only 2 news events. So this the exact setting I use personally. Now let me take you back into our chart. So let's see a real life example where there was a news event. This news was released on Friday 6 September by 1:30 p.m. and let's check for the first candle on Friday 6 September. So this will be our first candle for Friday 6 September, and we had this. Okay, price has been consolidating. You can see from this particular place, price has been on this zone. Now let's assume you're trading a break of structure and a retest. Now you might actually get an entry here, and you decide to go long on this zone here, and you're risking 10 pips, and you want to make 30 pips, same 30 pips again, right? So price began to what? Consolidate and consolidate. Immediately the news got released here, markets initially spiked down to this particular zone, then it went up onto to this particular zone here. So You would have lost this trade because you're not paying attention to your fundamentals. But let's check what literally played out here. Look, this news was released Friday 6th September 2024. So let's come back to our investing.com and just go back to calendar and check September 6th, 2024. So this will be Friday, September 6th, 2024. Let's apply that. And the news, this was 1:30 non-farm payroll. Now let's come back to this place. Look, just take a look at this. The news dropped 1:30, exact 1:30, and our investing.com is showing us that the news dropped at 1:30, and it's a non-farm payroll news. That's a huge news. You need to pay close attention to that news every month. It happens every first Friday of the month. For now, it might change maybe later, but for now, it happens every first Friday of every month. Let's take the conversation to the comment section. If you gained value from this video, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to the channel for more content, and until next time, happy trading, guys. Cheers.